All right, welcome back. Justin, good to see you again, my friend.
Tyler.
We're going to talk today about the importance of tire rotating and how often and when you should do it and why you should do it, and the importance of keeping up on that, because today's tires can be uber duper expensive. So we're going to visit with you about that, what that looks like, what we offer here at our dealership, Fisher Auto in Boulder, of course, our fine establishment here. And then we're going to have Justin take that away and give you all the good tidbits. All right? There you go, sir.
All right, so tire rotation. Real simple. Newer cars, it's going to pop up as a one service every single time that maintenance minder comes up. Also with the B service, I'm just going to rotate it for you anyway. So basically what I recommend, do that at that 1 or 5,000 miles if you do not have a maintenance minder system. You're doing it that way. We're trying to keep those tires wearing evenly based on 30 seconds. You'll start with usually about 30 seconds on a tire. So you want to keep those 30 seconds the same. So 9 in the front, 9 in the back, 8 in the front, 8 in the back. If you do that, those tires are going to last a long time. Also with that are tire alignments. We can get that, make sure that stays nice and straight, and it can even. Just because your car doesn't pull left or right or the steering wheel's off center does not mean your alignment is off. That'll cause feathering on the inner edges of your tires or cupping. A lot of people can't see that. We see it when we put it up in the air for you. Also, a great thing here at our dealership is we will sell tires, recommend them for you, but your tire rotations then are covered every time you come in for a tire rotation. So that's a $15 savings every time you get it. Also, if you buy snow tires from us, because believe it or not, it does snow in Colorado sometimes, we will actually swap your summer and your winter tires out for you at no cost. So that's a great thing to do also. So bring Tyler back in here. If you have any questions, just give us a call here. We can get you a quote on tires. They're all recommended through the Honda program. So you can always make sure you have the same tires you get as you're brand new. Or if you're looking for a cheaper option or even a more expensive or aggressive option, we got it here for you. So.
Yeah, absolutely. So hopefully that explains a lot of the questions that we get from time to time is why do we rotate and what's important about it, because it is. And again, they're super expensive today, so you definitely want to keep that wear as even as possible. And then the good thing, like you mentioned here at the dealership, we're going to let you know when maybe alignments are out or things need to be adjusted to continue to protect those tires. So great job again, sir.
See you next time.
You bet. We'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.